Yes, hello mga cousin, this is me, Uncle Nobs TV. Na for today's video, malanto kita sang parade no sang Miss UN 2024 diri sa may Barangay Canroma Elementary School. So, baka ilang parade no. So, let's go.
Sa tanan, labi na gid sa aton Barangay Captain Honorable Ricardo de los Santos Jr., sa aton Kagawad Honorable Lalaine Meraflor, ang aton energetic nga PTA President
of Southeast Asia in Western Pacific Ocean, consisting of more than 7,000 islands, Philippines. Ako po si John Franciskel E. Biadnes na nagsasabi na magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kate Andrea R. Igdani, 5 years old, from the beautiful country known for sport and literature, United Kingdom.
Kurt Ivan Tito, son of Mr. and Mrs. Ivan Tito. Sonia Isabel Helia, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jason Helia.
dito. Feb 1, matitipang, Entrek, Lord, God, and Saya, Jana, Sana, Isabel, Julia, Elida, Jana, Yedisa, Saraya, Nana, Hanko, Japir, Hana.
Louis Grijaldo, son of Mr. and Mrs. Louis Grijaldo. Denise Ejonel, daughter of Miss Mercy Ejonel.
Buenas tardes a todos. Mi nombre es Nicolo Hilia Gueldo, representado Spain. Magandang hapon sa lahat. Ako po si Denise Janelle na sa ikalimang paitang na kinakatawan ng bansang Pilipinas.
Topez, son of Mr. and Mrs. Ryan Topez. Missy Dean Federico, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Dane Federico.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Nicole D. Topaz. Grade 2 ay saya. Katawan ng Philippines! Annyeonghaseyo, my name is Nisiting G. Fadjago, representing an extraordinary country filled with beautiful beaches and most importantly, kind people, South Korea! Kamsahamnida!
Kaiser Grijaldo, son of Mr. and Mrs. Mars Grijaldo. And Zenith Joy Mateo, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rodmar Mateo.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Ako po si Kaiser Rinaldo. Mabuhay Philippines! Shahuha, what amazing she is Zara Joy Almatay, Dinggilio City, representing China! Sishi!
John Ray Tumayan, son of Mr. and Mrs. Jo Marie Tumayan. Jamaica Asiel Hemino, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jovel Hemino.
Good afternoon. We are determined to save succeeding generation from the scourge of Mr. John B. Tumayan, grade 6, representing UK. Yasas Beleni, Jamaica, Aisha Limino, grade 1, Job, Grace.
The awaited part of today's occasion, the highlights of today's affair, the entrance of Mr. and Miss United Nations 2024. The entrance of Mr. United Nations 2024, Luis Caleb Torres, son of Mr. and Mrs. Gerald Torres, and the Miss United Nations 2024, Bella Grace Gudaka, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Delphine Gudaka III. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause.
Calemera, si Olio, Melanie, Louis, Caleb, Torres, Boo, Ek, Rosope, Tecora, Te Eliad, and La Union está la fuerza, which means in unity there is strength. Hola, I'm Bella Grace M. Gudaka, grade 2 Daniel, representing the land of the setting sun, España.
Uncle Nobs TV.